Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old Den of Tools. And it is today, yep, it's April 8th, and just like the bear predicted, it's time for Spring Black Friday! Yeah, we're going to jump into it over at the Home Depot because they never let us down, right? Right? Anyway, let's take a look and see what all they got going on. We got the Home Depot feels like doing season. Yeah, it's time to get there and get doing right. We got some Roundup because that can't be bad for anybody. Oh, let's see. We got mulch and fertilizer. We got some flowers. The umbrellas. I got to tell you, I am a big fan of these cantilever offset umbrellas like that. Give you some great shade without taking up all that space in the middle. They're nice, really nice. $599, probably not a bad price on something like that. Let's see what else we got. The outdoor patio seating, $1,300. Good grief! I could buy an inside couch set for less than that. Oh, we got the dining set outside there. We got some nice chairs. The swivel. Yeah, I'd probably hurt myself on those. All right, we got the grills. And you know the bear loves to grill. So at the base level, we got the Blazer charcoal grill for $199 from Char Griller. Nothing exciting about that. The next grill for $349. Now this is a solid, basic. It's going to be good all summer kind of grill. Get a cover for it, and this will last you many seasons taking care of it. You got a 4-burner grill, which is great because you got the control of all the burners, so you can do offset heat, all that kind of stuff. Plus, you've got the side burner for doing your sauces, your soups, your any kind of stuff you want to use, stock pot, boiling your corn, whatever for the picnic. That's a nice, solid, just average backyard kind of grill. You won't go wrong with that one. Next to that, we got the Weber 3-burner grill for $619. They've lost their mind. $619 for a basic gas grill. Weber, what are you thinking here? All right, now we got Traeger over here. Now for $20 here, you get the Traeger, the hardwood pellets there, whatever. But the Traeger grill, this is the Pro 575 for $900. And I'm not gonna lie, this is not a bad grill. As you know, the bear here, Pit Boss, I've been working with them. They sent me a grill, and I'm always preaching the praise of Pit Boss. And I even went and looked to see, well, hey, I could probably get a Pit Boss for the same price. And you can. You can actually get a Pit Boss. That's a good step, larger than this for a little bit less, for like $750 or something like that. But it's not going to have all the smart features and everything else. This one's got all the smart features wrapped up into it. It's a great solid grill. You know what? I can't hate on it. It's not a bad grill if you're looking to get into pellet smoking. $900. It's not the biggest thing in the world, but if you don't have a huge area to grill in, that might be the way to go for you. All right, now we got tomatoes, lots of tomatoes. Gotta love, some good tomatoes. I'm gonna work on. I think this summer I'm gonna perfect making some of my tomato sauce here. So I need to get me some tomatoes going. This might be a great way to get started with doing that. Look at that. Large capacity, 11-inch cage, top quality vegetables for $20 there. All sorts of stuff. This thing, I don't get this. The stepped garden bed kind of thing here. $358 each, though. I guess it's not a bad price on it. We got some pea pebbles here, 2 for $7. We get the landscape fabric there for $14.98. All sorts of flowers and perennials, and look at that. We got over here a Majesty palm. Those things will grow, buddy boy. I don't know. Maybe this one won't. We had a volunteer palm in our yard over in California. That sucker took off. Potting mix, all sorts of stuff. There we go. We got some more. We got the Home Defense Max Insect Killer Spray. I might have to get some of those. We had the largest spider ever crawl up out of the hole where the plumbing goes in our RV for the shower, and I had to burn the whole thing down because I got the spider. That's all that counts, right? All right, now we're getting to the tools. We're in the meat of it. Let's see what we got here. We got Ryobi exclusive 1 battery powers, 75 plus tools. This is their outdoor power equipment line in the 40-volt series. We got the combo kit here with string trimmer with the blower for $250, and you get a 4 amp hour battery with it. And then next to that, we got the mower. Now the mower is looking at again a 40-volt, 20-inch. Up to 48 minutes of runtime with a 6 amp hour battery, which is included at that price at $300. That's a solid offer right there. You can't fault them for that. Now we got the Milwaukee, no Milwaukee mowers here, but we got the Milwaukee trimmer. That thing is a beast. I kid you not. I've used one before. The blower, honestly, it was not blown away by the blower, but that trimmer's got some power behind it. The Dewalt mower, I've heard a lot of people say that they didn't care for the Dewalt mowers, but this looks like a new model. Up to 60 minutes of runtime, $600. You're getting the with the 10 amp hour battery with that. That's not a bad deal there. And of course, Makita. Now, Makita's been doing mowers here for a long time. Their 40-minute runtime on theirs, $500 on the LXT 18 volt. Now, of course, if I'm not mistaken, this is using. Is it using 2 batteries or something? Let's hear. Self-propelled mower kit, 5 amp hour kit, includes 4 batteries. Yeah, so you're using 2 batteries at a time. All right, and then next to that we got the brushless outdoor power. We got the trimmer and the blower there for $279 on that. And then Toro steps in here. Toro really upping their game in the electric arena there. 43 minutes of runtime allegedly. $500 gets you a 60 volt 21-inch smart stow recycler. The smart stow is nice. That means it folds up, it sits up against the wall, gets out of your way. That's a nice setup there. And we've got the trimmer and the blower. Now, I have not tried these. They look well made. I like the engineering. I like the setup on them. That's all I can say about it from right now. $300 though, getting you a 60 volt 2 amp hour kit. Well, that's going to get you decent power. Not a lot of runtime on that 2 amp hour kit. All right, now back down here to Ryobi, we got a tiller here. If you've used their tiller, I would love to hear how well it works. Now, this is corded, all right? Now, this is not cordless, so you're going to have to run a cord over to it, but it's 13 amp, 16-inch cultivator. Does it have enough power to really chew up the ground? That's the real question there. Next to that, we got the Ryobi, was it 2,000 PSI electric pressure washer, $200. Nice compact setup there. And then to the right of that for $300, we have the 3,200 PSI with the 196 Kohler. So this is going to be the gas operated one. All right, now let's come down. We got for Milwaukee, this is their buy more, save more setup. You spend more than $300, you save $30. You spend more than $400, you save $80. You spend more than $500, and you're going to save $150. Now we're going to come back. We're going to talk more about the hand tools here in a little bit, or not the power tools. But I do want to cover their buy more, save more. We got Makita's buy more, save more. You save $25 when you spend $250. You save $70 when you spend $350, and you save $135 when you save $450. Makita not known for having the best sales, so anytime you can save money with Makita when you're in that teal blue kind of line, you really want to do it. Find fantastic tools, just not real up on the savings. Let's see, we got some wood there. We got the Dewalt nailer. Let's see. Here's another Ryobi pressure washer for $100. If you're just looking for a basic pressure washer, this isn't terrible. It says 1,800 PSI. You pick it up, you carry it to where you need to go, set it down. It's got the adjustable nozzle on it. As I said, it's not a terrible pressure washer. Let's see, we got all sorts of paints. Of course, I'm a big fan of the Bear Ultra there. I will say this. If you've seen my updates and my video on the trailer we built the walls for, I used the Bear paint on that. It was just whatever they had on sale at the time. I grabbed it, slapped it on there. It's held up through snow and snow in Montana, sun in Vegas, and all points in between. You can't say it's not doing what it was supposed to do. Here we go. 6-pack of 3M Scotch Blue tape there for $39, $38.48, $39 almost. Okay, now we got some ladders. We got the Gorilla Step there for $50. We got the Werner 8 6-foot fiberglass for $80, and then we've got the Reach. This is like your adjustable little giant kind of competitor there from Werner for $200. We got the HTX tub here, 70 gallon. That's the big tub with the wheels for $60 there. We got some Husky storage over here, some shelves, 5-tier heavy-duty steel shelves. They're $184 down from $200. We got rugs, we got ceiling fans, yada, 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 and appliances. And let's see, we got these. This is the back page. It looks like we're just recapping a bunch of, we got the HDX there. This is the 27-gallon tote. That's your standard tote, $13.98. If you saw my video on totes, it's an okay price. It's not a run out and buy this now kind of price, though. Let's be honest about that. It just isn't. Let's see what else we got here. Well, we got the Husky, more Husky storage over here. $329 on those. We got some more ladders. We got the basic, your standard painter's ladder there. 6-foot there for $55. We have another one of the Little Giant-esque kind of ladders. This one from Gorilla for $180. Oh, let's see here. We got a Genie, your basic Just Works garage door opener for $198. Lifetime 6-foot multi-purpose folding table, $60. You know, that seems kind of high price to me, but I don't know what the price on those things is right now. They may have gone up. That may be a good price. What do you all think? As far as everything else, that's it. At least that's it that's on the flyer. Now, of course, the bear's not going to leave you hanging there. I did a bit of a deep dive here. Went in, see what else we could find, see what else is going on. We got some Ryobi stuff here. We got a Shop One Plus. Basically, you buy the battery base kit. You get the 2 batteries, and these are the 4 amp hour batteries, and you get the charger, and you get and you pay $149 for that, and you get a free tool. Here's the free tools we got. We got the bandsaw, we got a vacuum, we got an impact wrench there. That's a decent impact wrench. We got another little shop vac kind of thing there. We got their version of a rocket light. We got an SDS rotary hammer, a grinder, a planer, the recip, the jigsaw. It's a nice little jigsaw. Let's see here what else. We got a cordless plunge saw, material plunge saw. Look at that. And then also we've got a 18 gauge offset shear. Oh, you could have all sorts of fun with that thing. And we got the speaker also. I don't know if I'm going to spend $150 on a speaker there, but if that's your thing, there it is. It's right there for you. Now we also have the smaller version of this, which is you get the 2, I think they're 2 amp hour batteries with the charger, and then you get the tool for free. And your options here is you're getting the polisher, you're getting the multi-tool. I gotta say, I think it's a decent little multi-tool. You're getting the router, the fan, the glue gun. I don't think I'd get the glue gun thrown in there. You're getting the ratchet there. The ratchet's it's a decent ratchet. I have that ratchet. And I'll be honest, I rarely, if ever, use it. It's a nice ratchet, but I don't know, maybe I'm not doing the whole ratchet thing right. It seems cumbersome. I know you can pivot the head around it. I was excited when I got it, and I just find myself not using it. We got the sander, we got the soldering station. It's a decent little soldering station. This another sander. You know what I think about these cordless sanders, the lights, the work lights, nice work lights. We got the rotary cutout tool and the smaller of the 2 soldering stations. Unless you need something really compact, I don't know why you wouldn't get the larger, more stable of the 2. All right, moving along, we got some mowers here. We have a 16-inch, 13 amp corded electric walk-behind mower. This is corded for small yards here for $129. And then we've got the 40-volt, 18-inch, 2-in-1 cordless battery walk-behind push mower with 4 amp battery and charger there for $219. All right, next up, we've got Ridgid, because, you know, Ridgid just came out with this whole new line. They've updated their tools. They're trying to find their new identity. Let's see what they got for us. We got some special buys here. We got the 18, you're getting the light, you're getting the vacuum, you're getting the USB charger, and you're getting the batteries there for $129. Here's the impact wrench. We got an impact wrench. We've got what else? We got, the 3-tool combo kit with inflator, high torque impact wrench, the brushless impact wrench for $329. If you're looking to get into the automotive line in Ridgid, that's the way to do it right there. We got the jigsaw, the circ saw, the sander. You know what? I've used the circ saws from Ridgid, and I gotta tell you, I was pleasantly surprised with the circ saws. I thought they were pretty decent. Over here we got some air stuff. We got the nailer, and we got the air compressor for $459. Here's the multi-tool. Looks suspiciously like that Ryobi multi-tool, doesn't it? You can get that, and you can get the jigsaw for $228. You can get the multi-tool and the grinder for $218. You can get the multi-tool and the vacuum for $148. Anyway, I'm not going to repeat all of these. We're just going to step through them real quick so you can see all the deals that they have going on in the new Ridge line and see if maybe this is something you want to get into. Honestly, I'm having a real hard time trying to figure out what the buying proposition is for Ridgid going forward. Yeah, I know people are going to chime in, lifetime warranty. It's not a lifetime warranty. It's a service agreement. And Ridgid has a reputation that they've lived up to, in my book, for trying to weasel their way out of it. Makita, all right, we're back with Makita. We talked about the buy more, save more. Let's see what other Makita deals are out there. Of course, we've got this one. This deal's been going around for a while here. So we got the 18 volt. This is the rear handle circ saw. It's a 40 volt, but it gets there by using 36 volt, same thing, by using 2 standard batteries. So you're not getting into a whole new line of batteries. You get to use the batteries you already have. It comes with the batteries. You get the charger, and you get a free gift with purchase. And that free gift is either a recip saw or the Makita multi-tool. Either way, I think you're going to be happy with those. Those are both solid tools. Now, the other option here is a standard circ saw here, but of course, this one's going to get you, of course, 36 volts as well. So you're using the 2 batteries with that, $349. I didn't even show you the price on the other one. Sorry, it's lower price in cart. So we got to, hold on, I got to add the item in. Let's select this item. We're going to add both to cart, and the price is, drum roll please, you got it at $249, $250 for that. Not a bad price on this one. The free gift is, again, we got the same thing. We're going to add the multi-tool this time. Add these both to cart, and we're going to get a price of $627. How? What the? Oh, I got the other stuff in cart. Oh my gosh. The bear just gave himself a heart attack. Anyway, we're looking at the same price, $249 on that. Oh my gosh. Okay, moving along, we got the Atomic. You can tell I'm having a day. We got the Atomic. Now, this is over at, we're talking Dewalt here, and I looked for some Dewalt deals, and all I could really find, where they're just doing this thing, and I'm not going to show you all, but it's standard. They have the tools, and they're throwing in that, especially the Atomic stuff, that's their compact, full power compact. They're throwing in that new Power Stack battery. It's like they have to give it away. No one's buying it. They're just shoveling it. Anybody who will take it. From everything I've seen, it's a decent battery, but I hear a lot of people being disappointed. I think based on how they marketed it, saying there was going to be just, gobs more power, and it's not. It's the same power in a smaller package. But anyway, you can get your tool with your free battery and charger. So if you're looking to get a tool anyway, might as well get the free battery and charger with it, right? All right, now then they got this. This is the big daddy workhorse of sliding miter saws. This is the Dewalt 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. All right, this is the one that everyone raves about. Look at that sale price, $400. But this is the thing. This isn't the big daddy. This is the what do you call it? The 779 or whatever. This you got no drop shadow light. You got none of that kind of stuff. You're paying full price on this puppy here. Oh my gosh, it's 3,800 RPM motor, 3-year warranty. That's nice. Yada yada yada. But you're not getting anything to write home about. What is going on with this? Why is this a $400 saw? That's what just doesn't make any sense. And I'm sorry, I don't care how you cut it, but that's weak sauce right there. Anyway, I'm sorry to say, but Home Depot let us down. That is not much of a spring Black Friday sale. But let's be honest, they didn't even call it a spring Black Friday sale. This is their spring kicking off sale. I had to go and double check, reach out to some contacts. Yeah, this is it. That's the sale. That's at least what they're telling me. So it is what it is. Maybe when you're getting those record profits and your stock's up near the top of the charts, you don't feel like you need to really have a sale to get people to come in and buy. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to cover all the other sales. We got stuff coming from Greenworks. We got stuff coming from Lowe's. I got sales coming from Ace. Hopefully, some of these will do better and make us feel like Spring Black Friday is really happening. All right, that's all the Bear has for you today. Make sure you've liked and subscribed so you don't miss out on any of the stuff coming up. You all take care. God bless, and as always, shine on.